All right, y'all. So lesson 47, last one for the week. Circumference pi. Okay. Now, good news. We've already talked about this. We had a whole lesson in class about this, so this shouldn't be too difficult for you guys. Circumference is essentially the perimeter of a circle. Okay. And the cool thing about it is that there is this number that comes up over and over and over again anytime we talk about circles. And that number is pi. And you're like, Mr. Thibodeau, you're crazy. That's not a number. That's a symbol. It's a letter. That's a dessert. But what it is whenever we take the circumference of a circle, okay? If you take the circumference of a circle and you divide it by 2 times the radius, you are going to get 3.14, I think 259. Repeating, it's an infinite number. Keeps going on forever. Okay, maybe it's 529. And no matter which circle you use, you're going to get the same number. Okay, and to that end, if you were to look for the area of a circle and you divided it by the radius squared, you would get that same number, okay? That number is pi. Now, the cool thing is because we have that number, this magical number 3.14 that shows up in every single circle that has ever been drawn, that ever exists, we can then use that to find the circumference and the area of a circle. Okay, so for the circumference equals 2 times pi times the radius. Okay, or the circumference equals the diameter times pi. Because remember, d equals the diameter, and the diameter is 2 radiuses. A radius is a line segment I need my desk to be angled. The problem is when I write this way, I write at an angle because that's where my computer is sort of in the way. All right. Maybe this is better. Stop writing so crooked. Okay. So radius is a line segment. Let's see. A line segment that connects the center of a circle to anywhere on the outside of the circle, or the circumference of the circle, or the perimeter of the circle. Okay, so if I have a circle and I have a middle point, any of these lines are going to be the same size, and each one of them is going to be a radius. If I have a circle, okay, and I have 2 radiuses, that is my diameter. Okay, so the diameter is just 1 radius and 2 radiuses. Okay, so they talk about the different ways to go about this. Okay, and they try and show you how you can look around the circumference. I want you to read through it and think about it, but you don't actually need to do it. Okay, For the practice set here, I want you to just do these numbers here. Okay, I want you to read through about pi here, okay, which is the same stuff that I've been showing you here. And I want you to do this practice set. And for the written practice here, let's do to it. All right, let's go ahead and do 1 through 29 odd. Okay. 1 through 29 odd. That's it. All right, guys. Have a good one.